positions. Logic is interesting that they want that. That's, I don't know if that means the strategy, the prompts. Okay, interesting. So this is a little weird part about it. I would say sending the logic and prompts, it's fine because I'm open source and I'm showing you all of it anyways, but that might be holding some people back from joining. Anyways, judging process, initial selection by Aster. Okay, so they select the initial people. Community voting. Okay, final decision by Aster core team. This isn't just a competition. It's the start of the Aster vibe trading movement. AI traders that think, learn, and trade on chain. Let's vibe, let's trade, let's build the future. Okay, so the rules are pretty simple. The one question I have is this, dude. And I'll ask it to ChatGPT because you really can't answer it quick enough, dude. I'm sorry. Okay, so they have a competition, Aster Dex, which is a Hyperliquid competitor, and they have a competition for 50 racks. And it says the one part that I don't understand is the dashboard part. Do you think they mean that we have to have a dashboard that's live on the internet, or can it be a local dashboard? Because building a local dashboard is one thing, and building one on the internet is another thing. So I don't know. Can you clarify here? I should also ask them. So let's go ahead and ask that. Let's say, how do I find them? Aster Dex. Aster Dex. Okay. Introducing Aster rocket launch. You can now trade. You can see this is back testing, and it's coming up with back tests now, and it's debugging, and it's going to keep working until it hits my profit target. So it's not going to stop until it hits that profit target. So you can see it's at negative 0.3. It's going to keep trying these back tests, adding new features to it until it gets there. You can now trade APR. I mean, the one thing I don't like about Aster is it doesn't have any houses on it, which is crazy. I would love to be able to trade Housecoin with leverage on Aster with my LLMs. That would be fire. Just a little bit of leverage. It's a little too volatile for that, but we all know that my thesis on Housecoin, it's not your thesis though. So don't listen to me. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please read this in complete sentences. Pause the video here. This is super important because since I let you into my life every single day, I may say things that you think are financial advice, but they're not. They're not. They're not. You can now trade Turtle. When are you going to launch Housecoin is the question, dude. When are you going to launch Housecoin? All right, so Aster Vibe Trading Arena. Okay, let's go ahead and ask the question here. One question. Does the dashboard have to be hosted on the internet as a website, or can it be a local dashboard? That's my question, fam. That's my question. So here, I'll retweet this so you have access to it. So it should be on my profile here. And this, I think this is the link that I got to. You can see she's on optimization 9 out of 10. She'll go 10 times, but we could have her go more, but she'll also just move on to the next strategy. And a lot of the times that's the right thing to do. If you're trying to over optimize 10 different times and it's not working, maybe you want to move on to the next strategy. So I have her attempt 10 times and then move on. So we have a back tester that's always looking for new ideas here. Okay, perfect. So that's the one question I have. Your email, your Telegram handle, your website, your GitHub repo. Okay, let me go ahead and fill this out, dude. I might as well just throw my hat in. But I want you guys to beat me. I want you to build a better dash. I want you to build better everything. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's why I'm bringing this to you. If I wanted to win this, dude, I wouldn't have told you about it. I think that building open source is the way to do it, because I believe that you can do anything I can do, and you can do it better. And I want you to do it better, because if you do it better, then I have to get better. And that's competition. I grew up a competitor. I'm still a competitor. That's why I trade. I want to get better and better every day. That's why you see me live here every single day. And that's why I give you everything, because unlike this man, I am chasing him. He did not leak any of his edge. I give you all of my edge. I give you all of my code. It's all here on GitHub, dude. I want to push all of us forward. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Everything I build, you see. You see everything on this YouTube channel. Everything, everything, everything. And now you have all the code too, which is crazy. So let me go ahead and fill this out real quick. Telegram. Website, and then GitHub. This is my GitHub, bro. Good luck. Good luck to everybody. 50 racks. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if they responded yet. 2 seconds later. You can see she's brewing. She's cooking down here. She's on to her next strat. So she's debugging. So this is a bunch of AIs working. Discussing how to stop 9 out of 10 optimizations. Move on to a strategy with backtester looking for new ideas. Let's see what that video is looking like, matter of fact. I've got an agent working down here too. So I got agents everywhere doing everything for me always. Why not? So here, I'll retweet this so you have access to it. So it should be on my profile here.